In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in PowerPoint. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can quickly switch your editing or proofing language to whatever you need, whether you're creating a presentation in another language or you just want spell check and grammar tools to match your audience. First, open your PowerPoint presentation as you normally would. Make sure the file you want to work on is open and active, since the language settings you choose will apply to the text in this presentation. Next, look toward the top of the PowerPoint window for the ribbon, which is the row of tabs like Home, Insert, Design, and so on. You're going to click on the tab labeled Review. This tab contains tools related to proofreading, translation, and language, so it's exactly where we want to be. Once you're on the Review tab, look for the section that deals with language. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, you should see an option called Language, and underneath it, something like Set Proofing Language or Language Preferences. Click on Set Proofing Language. This opens a dialog box that shows a list of available languages you can apply to your text. In this language dialog box, scroll through the list until you find the language you want to use. The list is usually alphabetical, and each language may show additional details, such as regional variants. Take a moment to choose the specific version that matches your needs, for example, the correct country or region, so that spelling and formatting rules are accurate. After selecting your desired language, look at the bottom of the dialog box for additional options. You might see a checkbox like, "Do not check spelling or grammar for that language." If you want PowerPoint to help you with spell check and grammar in your chosen language, make sure that box is not selected. Now, confirm your choice by clicking OK. At this point, PowerPoint applies that proofing language to the selected text. If you want the language to apply to all the text in your presentation, it's a good idea to select all text placeholders or your entire slide content before setting the language, or repeat the process for specific sections where needed. Once you're done, you can start typing or reviewing your slides, and PowerPoint will use the language you selected for spell check and proofing. This makes it much easier to create polished professional presentations in the correct language.